Don't spend your money before you've earned it. Many believe that amassing wealth is only attainable for high-income earners, but in reality, anyone can achieve financial success with the right knowledge and strategies. If your current salary isn't enough to reach your financial goals, don't fret. In the next few minutes, I'll unveil 5 practical tips inspired by Warren Buffett that are not only effective but will also improve your financial situation and help you achieve your dreams. To embark on your path to financial freedom, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Wealthway, and enrich your financial knowledge and mindset. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Develop the habit of saving. At the very core of financial success lies a simple yet profoundly impactful practice: the habit of saving. Warren Buffett, a true titan in the world of finance, recognizes this as the bedrock upon which fortunes are built over time. Saving money consistently, regardless of the initial amount, is an essential step in your journey toward financial prosperity. The wisdom of Buffett lies not in the magnitude of your savings, but in the unwavering consistency with which you set aside a portion of your income. It's about fostering a discipline that gradually accumulates wealth, no matter how modest your financial resources may be at the outset. Whether it's $10, $20, $50, $100, or $500 per month, the objective remains the same: to ingrain the saving habit into your financial routine. Even if your monthly earnings are modest, it's crucial to begin with a small percentage, something attainable within your current means. It's this very discipline that forms the foundation of financial security and eventual wealth. By starting small and incrementally increasing your savings rate as your income grows, you embark on a journey that brings you closer to your financial aspirations. Think of saving as a steadfast companion on your financial path, one that accompanies you through every twist and turn, bringing you closer to the promise of financial security and a brighter, wealthier future. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and similarly, your financial empire will take time to flourish. Embrace the discipline of saving today and watch as your financial dreams come closer within reach with every penny stashed away. Tip number 2. Spend less than you earn. Warren Buffett advises us to adopt a mindset of spending less than we earn, emphasizing the importance of living within our means. This fundamental principle is the cornerstone of financial stability and wealth accumulation. It entails exercising discipline in managing our finances, avoiding excessive consumption, and prioritizing investments over impulsive spending. Buffett's wisdom underscores that this prudent approach isn't just about controlling expenses, but also about accumulating resources that can be directed toward intelligent investments, ultimately generating substantial returns over time. It's not just about spending less, but spending wisely. Unnecessary expenses, often referred to as small expenses, can add up over time and hinder your financial progress. To achieve long-term financial success, it's essential to evaluate your spending habits, eliminate frivolous expenses, and focus on building a solid financial foundation. Incorporating Buffett's advice into your financial life can pave the way for not only financial stability, but also long-term prosperity. Tip number 3. Don't buy something twice up front. Warren Buffett's rule of not buying something if you can't afford to buy it twice upfront is a golden principle for maintaining a healthy financial life. Essentially, this rule suggests that you should have the financial capacity to purchase an item with your available funds and still have savings left over to repurchase it. This applies primarily to non-essential items that aren't crucial for your basic survival. For instance, if you've saved $20,000, buying a $5,000 motorcycle is an expense you can comfortably afford because you can purchase it without compromising your financial stability. However, buying a $30,000 car when you've only saved $20,000 would be financially unwise, as it could lead to debt accumulation and financial strain. By adhering to this rule, you ensure that you make purchases within your means, avoiding unnecessary debt and safeguarding your financial future. It allows you to maintain a strong financial position, ensuring that your finances remain stable and secure. Tip number 4. Distance yourself from negative people. In life, you will encounter individuals who consistently complain, engage in endless comparisons, and prioritize appearances over financial prudence. Warren Buffett advises us to distance ourselves from such negative influences and seek out those who share our aspirations for success. Surrounding yourself with individuals who complain and focus on superficiality can be toxic to your financial journey. People who complain incessantly often lack a positive and growth-oriented mindset, which can hinder your own progress. Instead, align yourself with friends who exhibit a positive attitude and a drive for self-improvement. By choosing to associate with individuals who seek success, you can cultivate a more optimistic outlook on life and gain valuable insights into achieving your financial goals. The company you keep can significantly impact your financial trajectory, so make a conscious effort to surround yourself with individuals who inspire and encourage your financial growth. Tip number 5. Learn to invest and start your business. Warren Buffett, the legendary investor, places a profound emphasis on the continuous pursuit of knowledge in finance, business, and economics. This commitment to education is a cornerstone of his success and an invaluable lesson for anyone seeking financial prosperity. Before venturing into the world of investments, it is imperative to delve deeply into the principles that underpin them. Buffett's wisdom advises us not to rush into investments blindly, but to equip ourselves with a comprehensive understanding of the financial landscape. This entails extensive reading, a thirst for knowledge, and a relentless pursuit of financial education. In essence, the more you know, the better equipped you are to make informed and calculated investment decisions. Furthermore, Buffett underscores the significance of patience and a long-term perspective in the realm of investments. Rather than succumbing to the allure of fleeting trends promising quick gains, he encourages the creation of a meticulously crafted investment strategy. Such a strategy, when rooted in careful analysis and prudent decision-making, substantially enhances your prospects for enduring financial success. Beyond investments, Warren Buffett extols the virtues of entrepreneurship and the empowerment it offers in taking charge of your financial destiny. Starting your own business affords you the opportunity to channel your energy and resources into a venture that you not only own, but one that holds the potential for unlimited income. Owning a business provides the freedom to make independent decisions, chart your own working hours, and passionately pursue projects that align with your interests and ambitions. While it may not be without its share of challenges, entrepreneurship is a viable avenue toward financial success. It invites you to embrace continuous learning, exercise patience, and consider embarking on a path that can secure your financial future while allowing you to live life on your own terms. These 5 invaluable tips, inspired by the wisdom of Warren Buffett, hold the potential to transform your financial life. By implementing these principles, developing a saving habit, spending wisely, budgeting for financial security, distancing yourself from negativity, and investing in knowledge and entrepreneurship, you're paving the way toward financial freedom and success. Remember, achieving financial goals isn't an overnight endeavor. It's a journey that requires discipline, patience, and continuous learning. The steps you take today can shape your financial future for the better. We hope you found this video insightful and motivating. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button to show your support. To stay updated with more valuable financial insights and strategies, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Wealthway. Your financial journey starts now, and every moment counts. Take these lessons to heart and begin your path to financial freedom today. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in our next video.